Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to submit our site to Google Webmaster Tool so we can control our website in Google search engine. Okay, so let's go to Google Webmaster Tool. Okay, now log into your Google account. Right now there is no site, so we need to add the domain. So I'm going to copy our domain and paste it here and click this add a site. Okay, so the next thing is to verify our website that we own this domain. You can download this HTML file and upload it to your root directory, but I'm going to use the alternative method. And if you remember, we leave the setting for on the dashboard of this plugin to put the meta tags of Google Bing. Yep. So go to alternate methods and click this HTML tag and copy this tag, copy and paste it here and save changes. Okay, now click verify. Okay, it says congratulations, you have successfully verified your owner of a domain name. Click continue. Now the next thing is to submit a sitemap, and a sitemap is you can access our website sitemap by navigating to our website address and after that writing sitemap.xml. So this is our sitemap and we need to just copy the string, the last string, and click the sitemap and add a sitemap. So we have our URL already here. Paste the sitemap.xml and click submit sitemap. Okay, refresh this page. Okay, so web pages and 4 submitted. These are our 4 pages, which is about us, privacy policy, contact us, and the main website. So Google crawled all the web pages. The next thing is to go to site dashboard, and now you can control your website from this Google Webmaster Tool. Like you can check what are the crawl errors Google bot is getting and you can clear them. Right now there is no data. You can also check the crawl state. Yep, we have some data here, like pages crawl per day is 12, and this is the graph, the sitemap, the URL parameters, the blocked URL. Okay, now if you want to remove some URLs, okay, let me show you something. Okay, we have some pages that are not exist right now, like this page, and some other pages. If you visit to this page, we will get a 404 error. So we can remove these pages from Google Index by going this in Google Index and remove URLs. Click this remove URL and create a new removable request. Now you can paste this page URL and click continue. Submit request. And now Google will de-index this page from Google database. Okay, let's go and check what are the pages that are 404. This one, create a new request, paste, continue, submit. So we have submitted this page. Let's go and check this one. Yep. Continue, submit request. Okay. And this one, no, it's not an error. And this, it is an error. So copy the URL, go to webmaster, click new request, continue, and submit request. Now the things that you can track about your website is you can also search the queries that on what keyword your website is ranking. Like right now there is no data. You can also check what are the other websites that are linking your website, and you can play with this. So this is all for this video, and thanks for watching it.